Ever missed an important message or notification and wished you could see it again? Don't worry, Android has a hidden feature that lets you check all your past notifications easily. In this tutorial, I'll show you missed a notification. Check Android notification history easily. To start, open the Settings app. This is the main control hub where you can adjust system preferences, privacy settings, and device features. Next, scroll down carefully and tap on Notifications. Inside this section, you'll find several options related to how your phone handles alerts, sounds, and app notifications. Now look for Advanced Settings. Tap on it to reveal more detailed notification controls. This area includes extra tools that are not visible in the basic menu. Here you will see the option called Notification History. Open it to view a complete list of all recent notifications that appeared on your device. Keep in mind, this feature only works if it has been enabled beforehand. If it was turned off earlier, your phone will not show past notifications. So it's a good idea to activate it for future use. Once enabled, you'll be able to track missed messages, app alerts, and system notifications in one place, making it much easier to stay organized and informed. And that's how it's done. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more Android tricks.